Hi, this is Jenny Lu. We're going to learn simple reflexology technique today to help us relax. You can start seated and pick up whichever foot you want first. So I'm going to use my left foot. To relax the foot first, we're going to stabilize the ankle with one hand, and then with the other hand, grab the ball of your foot and just rotate. So rotating your ankle, relax, activating the 6 energy channels from this ankle, and then roll the other side. And then grab a hold of your toes and just bend the toes and your ankle toward your shin. Grab a hold and bend the other side. And then we're going to activate a very important acupressure point or reflexology point. So finding about third way down from the second toe. So that is the first point on the kidney meridian channel. And in reflexology, it's reflexive to our solar plexus. So you're going to take soft fist, pinky side of the fist, and with the opposite hand, just cradle the bottom of your foot. Finding that point, you're just going to pound. Exhale out, sending healing energy. It's also called earth chakra. When we walk, we're massaging this point. So do that a few times, exhaling out. And from here, we can start. So you can take your fingers, we're going to roll the toes between the fingers. And you're rolling, relaxing. So generally this area is reflexive to our head area. So brain, eyes, sinuses, and rolling. And then taking your thumbnail, if you can, usually it's more stimulating, go to the base of your toes and then just press here. So digging in a little bit, exhale out. So our whole body, all the internal organs, parts of the body is actually mapped out on our feet, on our hands, and in our ears. So this is foot reflexology. And taking your thumb, we're going to do thumb walking. You can use the pads of your finger or using the thumbnails and just dig out. So we're going to draw 5 lines with the thumb. So walking from the top all the way towards the heel, pressing, and then just feel. On the left foot, you have your heart and your stomach, your spleen on that side. And if you're working on your right foot, you have your gallbladder and liver. So pressing down, working your way in, all the way down towards the heel. And go to the center, finishing in the center of your foot, all the way down. And then go ahead and massage right under the big toe. So there's a tendon when you massage right there. Our spine is right there. So in reflexology, that's a part you're massaging your spine. So just massage a few times. And then when we're doing balancing poses, you're using this part a little bit more. Okay, so go ahead to finish. You're going to take your foot in your hands and just give the foot a nice hug and squeeze all the way from the bottom to the top. And then the very end, you're just going to sweep your foot a few times, letting go of tension. Okay, and then letting your foot come down. Just take a moment to feel. You can take a breath with your eyes closed. And exhaling out. So really feel the difference between the foot you just worked on and then the foot that you didn't. And then even feel the leg. There's buzzing sensations in there. And go ahead, you can restart the video and work on the other foot and take time for self-care. Good job. I will see you next time.